Watching here at Joseph Motors. I'm going to add a new vehicle to the YouTube page. It's a 2017 Chevy 1500 series. This is a 5.3 liter regular cab, two-wheel drive, long bed truck. These are rare trucks nowadays, just because nobody really drives regular cab pickups anymore. But this one's only got 65,000 miles on it. Really, really straight, clean, nice unit. I love the fact that they ordered it with the tow mirrors on it. I think it gives it a lot better stance and everything on it. But this is one nice, clean unit that we've got here. Looks like a brand new truck. Power windows, power locks. It's got the MyLink system in it through Chevy. So you're going to have like Bluetooth. It's got a on it with tow trailer trim built in. And here is the jewel of the truck. I don't think they ever put anything in the back of this thing. I mean, that is the cleanest bed I think we've ever had. Brand new tires. I don't see a scratch on this thing. This thing is really, really nice and clean. I see that every day. A helicopter flying around at tree level. But anyway, I'm Nick. That's Johnny on the other side of the line there. If you got any questions about this unit, please give us a call at 919-661-2886. Hit us on the website at josephmotorsnc.com. Look forward to talking to you and see you soon. Have a great day.